was a really good experience driving the Syros.
It was fantastic.
Oh, it was amazing.
Very good, very pleasing car.
Oh, it was a great experience today. I had a good time.
My overall experience with the car was fantastic.
I have enjoyed driving. I feel like this 6 hours has not been enough. I would love to drive it for the whole day.
Taking the Kia Ceros out for a drive was definitely a great experience.
It was actually good. I was surprised by how well the sport mode actually responds.
Oh, it was really wonderful.
Kia Ceros surprised me in so many ways.
Really happy with the overall performance of the car.
Interesting driving experience with the Kia Ceros today.
I think it has surpassed what my expectations from the product were.
Highlight comfort feature would be
In-cabin space.
The ventilated seats at the back.
the ride quality is great.
Second row comfort.
There was enough of legroom and headroom space.
Reclinable seat.
Reclining seat.
Rear seat space.
Oh, the rear seats.
Sliding seats.
So for me, the cabin is the highlight.
I think the whole package is very comfortable.
The cabin is excellent.
Back seat of this car is the highlight.
The back seat.
Cool seats at the back. Ventilated seat.
Amazing space.
Ventilated seats.
Definitely the second row experience. 4-seat ventilation is one of the features that I really love.
The reclining and sliding function of the rear row.
Oh, I would definitely say it's the reclining seats.
I think there are a lot of features that are not present in other cars in the segment. For example,
Ventilated seats at the rear.
Space allocation.
like a dual pane roof.
The ADAS features is very good and the Harman Kardon sound system.
I think it's a huge panoramic sunroof.
Well, for me, the space is the big thing about this car.
You know, the best one I felt is the rear seat ventilation.
But another highlight for me is just how smooth the gearbox is.
The rear seat adjustability.
And ventilated seats.
And yes, physical buttons. So you have physical buttons for all quick access.
Apart from that, the ADAS level 2.
I think the flush door handles are really impressive.
I believe the ADAS level 2 are working very good.
Overall connectivity experience that I had is very seamless.
I would not say fascinating or something like that, but I feel the OTA and the Kia Connect 2.0 is something that I feel will be really helpful to us.
With my key, I can open all 4 windows of the car. That's an amazing feature.
Kia Ceros has a very polarized design.
I see a lot of traces of a larger Land Rover tried to be miniaturized.
It takes a little while to grow on you, but I think as you start living with this car and seeing it a little bit more, it kind of grows on you and you land up liking it.
Oh, it's a love it or hate it design. It's polarizing, and I think all design should be polarizing. The design is unconventional, yet eye-catching, and it will definitely appeal to the mass market buyers.
I think it definitely is very futuristic with its nice geometric kind of look. It stands out for sure.
The design team has done a fantastic job.
I really like the tall boy and boxy look of the car.
Design is a little quirky to say so, but I think it's going to work.
The design is something you will fall in love with.
Design absolutely new age and different, though it resembles WagonR, but it's not anything close to it.
It has a strong road presence.
I like the design of the car. It does look like an SUV.
Proper SUV वाली थोड़ी feel है, तो Indian families के लिए एक proper अच्छी कार हो सकती है.
But once you experience the car in person, your opinions will change.
I like the design.
Well, it's bold. It wants to do something else. It's quite unique.
I think this is going to be the next king of the compact segment.
The top 5 convenience features for me.
The cabin experience.
Ergonomics of the car.
Sitting position.
And for me, is that wireless charging right there in the center, which is so easy to put your phone and remove. You don't have to shove your hand in anywhere. Driving dynamics.
I think the Infinity display, the overall sense of space you get on the inside.
So the cool seats, ADAS in general, the panoramic sunroof.
Oh, you got the panoramic sunroof. The Apple CarPlay, which can be connected wirelessly.
The cup holders that double up as a storage space.
The placement of ventilated seat button is really nice.
Kia Connect features are very useful, and of course voice commands really come in handy when you're driving. You don't have to take your eyes off the road.
All 4 ventilated seats.
And the fifth would definitely be the big boot. I think that's something which people don't really realize.
Kia. Movement that inspires.